What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro. I have already used a few other Ulefone rugged smartphones and I think I'm in love with this brand because they always offer very good value for money. And one more thing makes me so satisfied about this brand is their customer support. Top-notch customer support, very fast, fluent and always problem solving. Well, when I have noticed that they have this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro, I was like, I wanna buy and I wanna try. If it's good enough, then definitely I will go ahead and make a review video. But if it's not good enough, maybe I will try some other brands. But as usual, definitely this one has performed better than what they have claimed. I mean, what Ulefone has claimed in their marketing material, this one is even way better than that. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before that, we should check the price of this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro. Not only the price, also the specifications. Also, I want to share 3 points. Why do I like this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro so much? Okay, the first thing first, this one costs $159.99 US. That's actually $160 US without the Armor Protective Case. Yeah, I have got the Armor Protective Case edition. So this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro comes with a Power Armor X11 series protective case, which costs additional $22.86 US. I mean, if you buy in a bundle, it will cost $182.85 US, but yeah, if you buy separately, then maybe it will cost a bit higher than what it is in a bundle package. Here comes the specifications. Yeah, this is a rugged smartphone, so definitely this one comes with IP68 and IP69K certification. This one comes with a 5.45-inch HD Plus display, 8150 mAh large battery, Helio G25 8-core CPU, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, 16 megapixel main sensor, dual 4G voice over LTE, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, face unlock, and powered by Android 12. As Ulefone always offers at least one major Android update, so we can expect that this one will get updated to or upgraded to Android 13. As usual, Ulefone always uses this color yellow and yeah, this tough rugged design on the box. Let's unwrap this Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro. Okay, as I've been using this one, I have already unwrapped it. Yeah, when it came, there was a protective paper with all the specifications printed on it. But let's put the smartphone aside. Let's check what else we have got inside the box. I really like this that Ulefone even offers a tempered glass screen protector for free inside the box. Kudos to Ulefone. There is a phone charging guide, warranty card, multifunction instructions, safety prompt card, and finally a user manual. A lot of paperwork inside the box. Ulefone have included a 10-watt charger and an adapter for 3.5mm port. Actually, this is a 4-pin to 3-pin converting dongle. If you want to use a 3-pin headphone, then you can use this dongle. Okay, Ulefone has also provided a single loop lanyard loop, and yeah, that's really very nice to see that they have offered almost all the necessary accessories inside the box. Oh yeah, how can I forget that they have also provided a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a very good quality, premium quality charging cable. Let's put everything aside and let's check the armor case. Inside the box, there is a case. There is a very good quality, very heavy duty belt clip, which we can put on by sliding onto the case. And it's also very easy to remove. Inside the box of the protective case, they have also provided a lasso loop, and yeah, this is also easy to install. Just slide it on and it gets connected. There will be a clicky sound which will confirm that the loop is already connected and it's safe to use. We can use this lasso loop to clip our smartphone on the backpack or on the belt, or when we are hiking, we can also clip it on the hiking loop. One more time, it's very easy to unclip or uninstall. Just press and slide it down. Wow. Very easy. As this is a rugged smartphone, with or without the protective case, this one is already pretty much protected. But with this armor protective case, we are adding more protection and more convenience. Like as I have shown, we can use the clip to clip the smartphone on our belt or anywhere. Also, we can use the lasso loop to clip it on anywhere, on any roof or backpack or anywhere we want. It's very easy to put on the armor protective case, and yeah, it needs a bit of a force to uninstall or remove the protective case. So that actually assures that this protective case isn't gonna get off or there won't be any accidental drop. Well, I have already mentioned I have used many other Ulefone smartphones, but this one is a bit different. The materials are truly different, and the design language, this subtle design language, this is so very unique. I really haven't seen many other smartphones, rugged smartphones with such type of design. There are some unique stripes. These are not aesthetic, you can feel it, and there is no rear camera bump. Even the rear camera block has its own unique style, and as the smartphone is all covered by very high quality polycarbonate, we cannot see the metal frame and everything, and in hand, in winter this is gonna feel much more comfortable, because in last winter I have used another rugged smartphone and that one actually has all the metal frame outside, so in winter it gets very cold. But as this Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro has everything covered, and as there are a lot of bumps to have better grip, I already prefer and like this design. Well, on top there is a 3.5mm port, and this port is also covered very well. At the bottom there is a loudspeaker grill, primary microphone and a USB-C port, which is also very well covered, and it's not very difficult to unwrap and wrap it with the provided protective cover. Volume rockers and power button, everything is on the right side, but there is a very special button, a customizable button on the left side. Also the SIM tray is located on the left side. I really like this design that we don't have to use any extra tool to remove the SIM slot. There is a hook, we can just use our nail to bring it out. And this is a 3-slot SIM card. We can use 2 SIM cards and a microSD card up to 128GB to expand storage. As mentioned earlier, this one comes with a 5.45-inch HD Plus display panel. This one supports 60Hz refresh rate. Even if this is a LCD panel, I would say display quality is really very good. I'm actually surprised to see that this LCD display panel can reproduce correct black. Most of the other LCD panels actually reproduces black as gray, but this display panel is a bit different. This one is almost a premium quality one. Colors are vivid and vibrant, very close to natural, and black is truly dark, white is very bright, really can go very bright. Now, even under studio lighting, this one can go very bright, and even under bright sunlight, it's pretty much visible without any issue. Well, after the display panel, let's talk about the speaker. Yeah, there is only one speaker, one loudspeaker located at the bottom. The bottom firing single loudspeaker actually is a very good one. I'm surprised by its performance. Let's check the sound quality together. You listen to it carefully and decide how good is it. I'm surprised by its performance. I think you will also get surprised.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all the quit.
Well, finally it's time to check gaming performance. But wait, before that I wanna put this Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro inside water. Yeah, we are gonna put this inside water for 10 minutes and then we will play some games. 10 minutes, okay? I'll be back. Okay, as promised, I'm back after 10 minutes. It's already more than 15 minutes actually. I've forgotten. This baby is still working fine without any issues. Now we are gonna play games. Let's check how is the gaming performance. Well, Helio G25 is no way a gaming chipset, but we can definitely play games. I've been playing this Real Racing 3 on this Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro for a few days, and before me Philip has also played games on this device for almost 12 days, and he said this one is one of the best smartphone which comes with a Helio G25 chipset for gaming. Among all the other Helio G25 chipset based smartphones, this one is one of the best because this one offers fluidity and really in-game experience is different than many other smartphones. It's really much better, way better.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness.
Yeah, gaming on this smartphone is fun. Actually, this one comes with a very good HD plus 720p display panel and a very good entry-level SoC. On top of that, we have got stock Android 12 and very good optimization. So altogether, gaming on this is totally fun. But if you wanna throw anything on it, I mean GPU intensive games, then I don't think that would be a very good idea. Okay, this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro comes with a very good 16 megapixel main sensor, and yeah, they have also added a depth sensor, but what actually have made me very surprised and happy is this main sensor. I have tried this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro side by side with Poco X4 Pro. Here you can check the photos side by side, and yeah, considering the price and segment, definitely Ulefone Armor X11 Pro has done better.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Okay, this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro comes with a 8150 mAh battery. I have managed to squeeze up to 24 hours of screen on time, but that's the most. Usually, in average, we have managed to get almost 18 hours of screen on time, and yeah, standby time is pretty long, and actual usage time goes beyond 7 days. That's more than a week. So battery life isn't an issue, and battery life is definitely better than many other rugged smartphones. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this one comes with Helio G25 8-core 2GHz SoC, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and this one comes with Android 12 out of the box.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor X11 Pro. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, if you want to watch more honest review videos, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content, and if you're interested in this product, yeah, I have left a link in the description box below.
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.